Hi there, this is Devin. Thank you for joining me today. I'm doing several training videos on how to sort your data when you download reports from Syncta. Sometimes you might need specific information about tests or testers, or income, expenses, or comments, and there's ways to obtain this information. So there's three filters I'll go over. One is custom filters, the other is advanced filters, and the other is slicers. Now, custom filters and advanced filters, they use a set of logic to include or exclude information or have different layers. For example, find customer with letters A, or find the number of assemblies for a customer, or find all test statuses. That would be for custom filters. For advanced filters, you would use that for larger data sets and set more limifying inquiries, such as who was the tester who tested the most assemblies or a cutoff, and how much revenue did the tester bring in. So in this case, for this video, I'll stick to the custom filter. So we go to reports. In this case, I want to do test and test reports, all completed. And we're going to go back. Let's go January 1st. And refresh. You can download the Excel file and open it up. It should be in your download folder, or a pop-up window should come up for you in your internet browser. This pop-up message, depending on the version you have, file formats, just click yes, go ahead. You just want to get the data in and enable editing. So as you can see here, we have data. And in this case, what we want to do is we want to get data and filter it. Click the top left-hand corner and increase our column width so we have something to work with. In this case, if we want to do a custom filter, we can just click down the tab menu here and unselect everything. And let's say we want to find all test report. This is a customer name in my account, test report forms. And here we will have all records that are named test report forms and all the information attached to it in the column headers. Now that's just a simple exclusion, inclusion. You can come back here and clear your filters. If we want to even sort it A to Z, we can. And let's say if we want to do sorting with layers, we can actually add levels. So let's say we want to sort by customer name first, and then we want to sort all the information based on, let's say in this case, the water purveyor. So we will sort A to Z, and you can see everything is sorted. Okay, now that we have customer information, we can also do search based on letters. So now we sort it alphabetically. If we want to do a text filter, we want to say, let's find something that begins with the letter T, and all your records will show up. And we have other records that come included with this. So this is just a quick way to manipulate your data. You can use it for every column as well. Water purveyor, location, model, whatever you need. Okay, let's go remove that. Let's say you want to find all the assemblies tested by a tester. We can come over here, find tester, which is right here. And let's say we want Superman. We have all the records of all the assemblies he tested. And you can see here all the test results, and you can manipulate your columns that way. Now, if you don't want certain columns to show up in your data, you can also hide it. So just click at the top hand corner of the top of the column, right click, and press hide. And if you need to highlight back, highlight these two cells, click and press unhide. So in this case, that's just a basic form of a custom filter with different layers for basic inquiries. And stay tuned for the next video on advanced filters.